Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be talking about something gross and really disgusting, and that is clogged pores, guys. And this is usually caused because of accumulation of bacteria in our pores, which thereby leads to whiteheads and blackheads. Guys, the affected area of the clogged pores is our nose. So we are going to get into the video, guys. And also, if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And let's get started, guys. So guys, the first process is steaming, and in order to open our pores and to remove the impurities, it is really essential to steam the skin. And here I have taken a towel and I'm dipping it into the hot water, and after that I have placed it over my skin and I'm going to press it a little for 1 to 2 minutes so that all the pores can be opened up and the process can become a lot more easier to remove the impurities. After that, I am going to take a blackhead and whitehead removing stick. As you can see in the video, I am stretching my skin a little and I'm pressing the stick over it, and this little hole it has in the end is going to gather all the impurities over, and in the end I am going to show you how does it look like. So you don't need to be very harsh with your skin, just be little gentle and keep pressing it over, and all the impurities are going to come in this little hole as shown in the video. This can be little abrasive to the skin, guys, so just make sure that you be very gentle. And once you are done, you can see all what you have collected. I know this is really gross, guys, but now let's move on to the second point. The third one, and this is the egg peel off mask. So we just need egg white for this, so I'm going to do it really carefully. I'm going to beat the egg and carefully just going to take the egg white, as we do not need yolk. So guys, be little careful. And once I collect it, guys, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to stir it till the time I receive a homogeneous mixture, which is just like water but a little bit viscous than that. Because once we take out egg white, it's more of a mask, guys, which cannot be applied. So after 2 minutes, this is the consistency we require, so that it can easily be applied on our skin. And then with the help of my fingertips, I'm going to apply it over my nose, and then I'm taking a tissue and I'm wrapping it over, and carefully I'm going to make it stick on my nose. This again, I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes so that it can seep in my skin properly, and once it get dried off, I'm going to peel it off. And this is going to make sure to remove the extra impurities you have over, whether it's blackheads, whiteheads or hair. And the fourth step is mud mask, guys. Here I have taken Fuller Earth, which is easily available anywhere, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoons of water into it, but that's not enough, guys, so I'm taking a little bit more here. And give it a nice stir after that, and this is the consistency we are looking for. Just keep stirring it till it becomes smooth. And here we go, guys, we are done. And after that, I am going to clean my nose properly, and this is a wet tissue I have taken in order to remove the traces of egg. And after that, I'm going to wipe off the water, and this just clean my skin. After that, I'm going to thoroughly apply it over my nose, and I'm making sure that I cover all the areas perfectly, and I'm going to lay it completely over.
And guys, Fuller Earth has so many properties. It helps in detoxifying skin, it helps in making pores intact, and this mask is especially made for that. And once I do that, I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes almost, guys. And after 20 minutes, this is the result we have here. And this is the last step, guys. And once I remove this off, I'm going to apply a good layer of moisturizer over my nose.
So guys, I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comment down below. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And also follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, and I would love to hear from you guys. And give it a thumbs up if you like my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Be showing you my skincare routine through which I and guys, the usual affected area is our nose, so I'm going to be showing you this procedure. So guys, the usual affected area of our clogged pores is nose.